See that? There's a lot of room inside. Welcome to my channel. It's Rachel. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you what I got at Macy's. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail, or what I got a package. I will be doing unboxing. Okay, so let's see. And this is, and yes, it's a big box. It's really a big box, guys. So let's see what's inside in this box, guys. Okay. So I already got that open. Let's see. Okay, here it is. Yes, this is it. It's still in a plastic bag. They have this on sale, so I decided I had to get it because, you know, it's so cute. I like backpacks, so I don't like to carry those heavy, you know, purses. So I just like the backpack, and I found this one and it was on sale, and so I'm excited to show it to you guys. Okay, here it is. This is a Michael Kors. I said that I like the color too. I said I'll just get that one. And yeah, that's how it looks like on the back. And this is at the front. Okay. And but let's see. There's a thing over here that you can just open. It's kind of a compartment thingy. Yeah, I like backpacks because it's just easy for me to you know, carry. And so let's open this compartment here. There's a compartment. You can put some stuff in here. And so let's open the second one. And there's a lot of stuff in here, like bubble wraps or something. Here is the inside. There's a lot of room. See that? There's a lot of room inside, and that's the one I want. That's the size I want. Just the right size for me. And the color is coral or somewhat kind of orange. And on the back there's a you can just, you know, it's more like a belt thingy. So all you do is just hook this up like it's a belt. Okay, here it is. It's already buckled, that one. So it depends on, there's I think 1 2 3 4 5 notches, and I got the one I used the last one, the last notch. See that backpack, and that's the back. It's so pretty, and yeah. Leather. The material is leather, and yeah, I really like this. So this is just a short video for unboxing, okay? Because I only got one item that I bought at Macy's. And this one over here, the handle, it's kind of a gold, but it's not real gold. It's gold on this side. So yeah, that's the backpack. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.